Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing this look using all Fashion Nova makeup products. You guys, these products are so amazing. Actually, the brand is called Maven Beauty. There's so many things. There's palettes, highlighters, there's also lipsticks, which I am wearing. I'm literally wearing like their palette on my eye, their highlighter on my cheeks, and then the lipsticks on my lips. Obviously, it's so pretty. I absolutely loved how it turned out. It's very, very appropriate for the holiday season. And also in today's video, I did partner up with Maven Beauty to create this look. So thank you so much, Maven Beauty. But yeah, you guys, if y'all want to recreate this look, then please continue watching. Alright guys, so I have no eye makeup on right now, and Maven Beauty does have these really beautiful palettes. These are the Basic Beat eyeshadow palettes. They are so pretty. I love the packaging. I love how it's see-through. It's very like kind of like modern, but like very simple, and I like that. It's very sleek. They're travel friendly. That's what I really love. So I am going to be creating a look with these palettes right here. There are 5 different palettes. The first one I want to show you guys is the Bold Blend, which is this one right here. I feel like they're all actually matte, and I love how they're all very like they can go perfect with like a transition shade. You can do something very natural with it, but yet again like very bold, which I absolutely love. And then here we have my favorite one, which is a Medium Blend. It's this one right here. I mean, you can see that I have used it before, and I love how all of these go so well with my skin. They are really blendable. Like I said, they are also buildable, so it's really nice, and I love it. I love this palette so much. This is the Medium Blend. Like, if you guys are trying to decide which one to get, I do recommend getting the Medium Blend, honestly. And you can also use this for contouring. Like, this shade right here would be perfect to contour like my nose. I do like more of like a cool tone to contour my nose. I always have. Yeah, you can use this as a contouring eyeshadow, you name it. And then the other one is Soft Blend, which is like more of a softer type of eye look. I don't know why, but you can't really see or the camera can't really pick up the shades, but I do love all of these. They're very more, I would say, gray tone, kind of like purpley tones. I do love this one. It's very soft. If you're trying to go for that soft eye look, I do recommend this one. And then we have the Basic Beat Define, which is like the more kind of darker shades in here. You have like this really pretty burgundy shade, and then you have a very brown matte dark eyeshadow, which is this one right here, and then you have the black matte shade, and then this is more like a, I would say like a gray purple tone eyeshadow. And then last but not least, they did come out with the shimmer one, which is Spotlight. This is the Spotlight palette. It's so beautiful, as you guys can see. You can use these as highlights actually. Let me swatch one of them. Oh, they're so creamy, but look at that. That is so freaking pigmented. So you guys, I'm pretty sure that I want to go in with my favorite one, which is the Medium Blend one. First shade that I want to go in with is this shade right here. The only thing that I would like for these palettes to have is a little mirror, but I'm also connecting my contour, like my nose contour, to my eyeshadow. It just makes it so much like prettier, and everything just blends in together, which I like. Alright, so the next shade that I'm going to pick up is this one right here. It's more darker than the first one that I picked up. And what I'm going to do is just follow the outer edge. Just follow that right there. Oh, these shades are so pretty and blendable. So the next shade that I'm going to be picking up is from the Bold Blend palette. And I think I'm going to get another brush, like a more denser brush. I'm going to get this brush right here, and I'm going to be taking kind of like the sienna looking shade. So what I'm going to do is pick this shade up and just apply it on the outer edge of my eye. Just want to kind of define and make it kind of a little bit more darker here on the edge. See how like much darker that looks? That's what I want. And if you pack it on, it just starts to kind of get darker and darker and darker, and that's what, you know, that's what I'm trying to go for. That's what I'm trying to go for here. Alright, so now that we have that good and ready to go, I'm gonna be taking the Define palette, and I am gonna be taking the brown shade. And it would be a smart move to actually apply a setting powder under, just in case there's any fallout. Like I said, I'm just going to be darkening up this corner right here. I honestly don't know what I'm going for. I have an idea of what I want, but I'm still kind of like here coming out with what to do. I want to do a black eyeliner with the shadow. So what I'm going to do is alright, so that's that. And Maven Beauty did come out with waterproof liquid eyeliners. They came out with 4 different shades. They sent me 4 actually different shades. They sent me the black one, and they also sent me the Mama Juana, and then they sent me the 24 karat one and the brown one. I'm gonna be taking the black liner, and what I'm gonna do is do the line. So now what I'm going to do is apply my lashes. I think I'm going to go in with these lashes from Tati Lashes. They are the TL10s. And I want something like more dramatic on the edge, and I think these are going to give me like the perfect effect for that. While that is drying down, I'm going to go ahead and do my highlights. So I got two highlights right here from Maven. I got draped up and then dripped out, which I freaking love a dripped out. You guys will see why. I mean, oh, it's so pretty. This is actually what I've been wearing a lot lately. Alright, so now I'm gonna lip line my lips first. I'm gonna go in with a Dose of Colors Cork. I'm gonna go in a little bit with Buena. And then I do want to make my lips matte. So what I'm going to do is take some translucent powder on a brush and just press the translucent in the lipstick like this. This will make it instantly matte. I don't know about you guys, but I am a matte kind of girl right now, especially during the winter times. Ta-da! And there you have a matte lip. If you do that like on top of like any satin lipstick, like I guarantee you that you guys will love doing this. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it. I'm gonna go ahead and do my hair off camera, and then I'll be right back to give you guys an outro. Alright guys, so we're pretty much done with the look. I absolutely love how everything turned out. It's like so soft, but yet like very dramatic. I mean, you could wear this for Christmas Day, you could wear this for Christmas Eve, Christmas Day. It's really, really appropriate for that and the winter time. Also, I want to give a big shout out to Maven Beauty for sponsoring today's video. I absolutely loved all their products, and the really amazing part about this is that they're all very affordable. I think they're under $20, which is so amazing. It could be such a perfect like gift if you don't know what to give your girlfriend or your sister, your friend. You guys can go ahead and shop at fashionnova.com. They have all these products. I think they even have like lashes and brushes. So I will also leave a link down below on the description box so you guys can go ahead and shop their products. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys on my next video. Bye guys.